Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Yuan Tap.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So bali guys, ang laman ng parcel is 100 pieces disposable bowl cover.
Oh my God! Wow!
4 cup kettle na may picture.
Oh my God! Wow!
At lunch bag. Lunch bag guys.
Oh my God! Wow!
So titignan natin guys kung si seller is legit or scam.
Paano masabi?
So pag yung item natin guys is may damage, pwede naman natin i-return.
Pwede na!
Example, may basag, return nyo. May kupe, return nyo. Kasi yun yung binabayaran natin guys. So ito yung 100 pieces na bowl cover. At ito yung picture na mayroong 4 pieces na glass bottle. At ito ba yung lunch bag na ano to thermal bag. So titignan natin kung legit guys, kung thermal bag talaga. Yes guys, it's thermal bags guys. See? So itong picture, titignan natin kung may laman na baso. Alam ko meron to guys, 4 na piraso. Ang mahiwagang pichel. Uy, meron guys. Yes guys. So 4 na piraso guys. So lahat sila goods. Wala mga damages.
Sana all.
Tapos ito yung bowl cover. Ito yung sa plato eh. Sa plato mo ilalagay pag may sobra kang pagkain. So si seller guys is legit. Thank you for watching.